Hello, welcome back. And as you can see on the screen, we have the IBM SPSS software. So, it's a statistical piece of software. I used this years and years and years ago, and it kind of reminded me of Excel, where the different columns with the data sets you put in, and it has some pretty intense statistical routines within it, much more advanced than anything you can get within Excel, and very sophisticated charting. But again, I'm not too sure how it is now, but then it was a very visual tool for you to perform all sorts of statistical routines on data. Okay, so you can scroll down, you can see, there you go, so statistical analysis and reporting, predictive modeling and data mining, decision management and deployment, big data analytics. Okay, so I like this bit. Analyze big data to gain predictive insights and build effective business strategies. Now, that's basically what Spark is. So Spark, you have the API that allows you to tap it into big data, so i.e. data sitting within Hadoop. And if you want to perform, let's say, regular Scala type transformations, but in a distributed manner, you can use a low level API. If you need more higher level analytics, so I showed you that here. So we can have data frames. So you actually want to do some sort of like data, like SQL type manipulation to your data. You can transform your data into something like a database table and perform your SQL statements on that. The streaming, machine learning. If I click on machine learning here, you can see, here you go. So we have, just see what types of, there you go. So you got classification, regression, clustering, filtering. You can do extraction, transformation, reduction, selection, tool for some machine learning pipelines. There's a persistence, okay, and you have linear algebra, statistics, data handling. So it does have some form of statistical algorithms within Spark, which is based on top of core. Okay, now sure, SPSS is definitely much more heavyweight in terms of the actual routines and algorithms present, because it's been around for a very long time. But the speed that Spark is gaining for people who are actually utilizing their regular core skills, the regular Scala, or if it's Python or R, okay, you can utilize those languages, which a lot of developers actually now have and understand, okay, against Spark and perform statistical analysis. So SPSS, obviously, you can see here it's an alternative. You can utilize. They've got various tooling. Try it out. It costs money. It costs a hell of a lot of money. So obviously you need to decide whether the algorithms present within Spark is good enough. If it is, fine. If you are a statistician yourself and you actually know how to code these routines, by all means, you can actually utilize the base routines and build analysis on top of that. But if you need the more heavyweight analysis that SPSS gives you, then SPSS may be an option.